Hello everyone! Today from my kitchen I would like to show you how we can prepare okra, sautéed okra, which is we call it in Arabic Bamieh B'zeit, like the Lubia B'zeit, the green beans sauté. So in my previous videos I showed you how we can prepare the Bamieh stew. We call it يخنة Bamieh, the Lebanese one. So you can check my previous videos if you're interested to see it, but that one, it's really delicious. It's my favorite, one of my favorite Lebanese dish. I love it so much. I'm using the Bamieh, which is mean the okra, the green one, but it's frozen because it's really hard here in London to find the green one, fresh one. But that one is green but frozen. I'm using 1 bag of frozen okra. Also we need 2 cloves of garlic, and we need 1 onion, we need 2 tomatoes, and we need salt and pepper, black pepper, salt, and we need a bit of chili. That is optional if you like. And also we need 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. So let's get started, show you how we can prepare the Bamieh B'zeit, which is mean sautéed okra. So here we go. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and in that time as well I turn on the fryer because I need to fry the okra for about 2 minutes. Just fry it a little bit in deep oil, and in that time while the fryer getting hot, I'm going to chop the vegetables. Here we have the garlic, you can chop them the way that you like. There's people they make them small diced, there's people they make them like slices. So that's what I'm going to do with the onion. I'm going to make the onion sliced like this. Which is really nice. Also you can chop them small. Perfect. Now I'm going to take the onion and put them here and fry the onion. Perfect. So we can start frying the onion while the okra frying. Just waiting a little bit, and I'm going to leave those after we will fry the onion. We can add the garlic. We don't want the garlic to be burned. Okay, and this is the tomato. Perfect. We will prepare everything. Now I'm going to take all these ingredients and start frying the onion and fry the okra in deep oil. Okay, so no need salt and anything, just fry the okra like this in the fryer. And I'm going to leave that for 2 minutes. So in that time I'm going to prepare the onion. I'm gonna leave these. Okay, so after we fry the onion for 1 minute, now I'm going to add the garlic. Don't need to fry the garlic too much. Perfect. Now I'm going to add the tomato. Okay, so the okra now is ready after 2 minutes frying. Now I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of tomato paste and add it here. And then add about 1 tablespoon of water. Also, I'm going to add salt to taste, and also I'm going to add black pepper, and as I said, you can add chili. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of chili and a bit more. This is my kids, I love chili. Oh wow, that's perfect. I'm going to mix all the ingredients and leave them in medium heat for about 3 minutes, and after that we can add the okra and leave them for about more 3-4 minutes. So I'll see you after that. Okay, so after we fry these ingredients, as you can see, they look so yummy. Now I'm going to add the okra on them like this and mix the ingredients and leave them for 3 more minutes. If you find the tomato is too much thick, you can add a little bit of water. That's what I'm going to do now. A bit of water. We don't want the okra to be stiff. And I'm going to leave them a few minutes and I'll see you after that. Okay everyone, so here we go. This is after 3 minutes. The okra, we already fry it and the dish looks so yummy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to garnish it with some spring onion, chopped spring onion, which is, you can eat it next to this dish. So yummy. Oh yeah. And also you can add mint if you like, fresh mint. Wow. And also served with pita bread, Lebanese pita. So let me taste this Bamieh B'zeit. I love it. Wow. Need a bit of salt. Perfect. So yummy. So I hope you like this recipe and I hope you enjoy watching this video. This recipe, as I said, really delicious in summertime. You can make it and serve it hot. Myself, I love it. I love to eat it really hot with chili, and also you can serve it cold like Bamieh B'zeit, so as you like. And I hope you enjoy watching, so please leave me a like if you enjoy and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.